Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to edit header on Weebly website. First, go to your account and click on the Edit Site button to go to your website editor. Now, once in, go to Pages on the upper ribbon and make sure that you're on the page that contains your header. Now, once in, as you can see, this is my header, so just go and click on that. Now, you can go and replace your header layout. So just go and delete that. Now it will give you different template for it. So just choose one based on your liking. Now that it has been applied, go and click on the save button. Here, you can click again on it and edit your background so that you will be able to replace the image. And just go and upload one from your device and select on the image that you want for your header. And as you can see, it will now show up to your websites. Now, you can go and save it on the top right. After that, you can also change the text. Here, you can change its color so that it will be more visible to your website. You can also change the button by editing its text, its style and position, also the link and spacing. Here, under the button style, you can select one that will be visible to your website. But that's just basically it. Your header is now changed on your website. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.